Think how many times you're trying to talk about different things that you've been learning during the year, and maybe you've in a history class and you've gone from A to Z, and or in a world history class and the kids don't understand that two things or three things or four things are current at the same time. And a good way to help them out might be to create a mind map or have them create a mind map. And so there's a website that's been around for about 4 years, but they've recently made some really good improvements, and it's called Text2, the number 2 mind map, as you can see there. And here's an example of what they have, a simple mind map, but it's even simpler than that. For example, I can erase everything that's here, and let's replace it with my name, and then relate it to me. If I want it, if I return, it indents, and that means it's going to have something below me. So my wife's name is Debbie, and then I can return it, and I can push the tab button and indent it more. And my first daughter's name is Madison, second daughter's Alexandra, A-N-D-R-A, and then my son's name is Grant. Well, my parents' name, I want to go back all the way here under Debbie, and then I can write parents, and they are Roman and Mitzi. Okay, but Roman has, his parents are indented, so Bertha and Ludwig. And then my mom's parents are Meta and Paul. And so you can see I have kind of created a chain that goes from me, and all I have to do is now draw the mind map, and just like that you can see that I have new things. But I want to do other options. For example, I want to change the color. So if I go to the branch, any color I want is now the new color. If I want to make that maybe a blue, maybe make it a little lighter blue, and I can change the font or the size, or the width of the lines. And you can see just how it gets thicker. Maybe I'll leave it like that, and then draw the mind map. And you can lock after moving, which means right now I can kind of move it around, or I can unlock them all. And then of course if I want to go back to the text, I can just go there, and I can keep indenting, or I can go back if I want. And so very simply you can create a mind, or your students can create a mind map for what you want to do. And then if you look at here, you can save it, download it, or of course obviously Zoom or not Zoom. And for that matter, you can put it on Facebook or tweet it. So if you save it or download it, and then if you download it, kids could maybe put it on a Google Drive document and share it with you. And very quickly you can have the kids explain something to you. Again, it's called Text2mindmap.